Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I've got with me the Mavic 3 Pro, the one with the new two telephoto cameras, and I'm really excited to unbox it for you on video. And we won't be flying it today, but there'll be a follow-up video with lots of footage in the coming few days, and I'll talk about this drone and how I find it is compared to the original Mavic 3. Because I had the Mavic 3, you can see lots of videos on my channel here. Now I'll link them. Anyway, let's unbox this and have a look inside. So we're going to do this one take. And so what we're going to do, pan down to my desk and we'll just film it like this. I hope that works. Oops, something just got dropped there. But yeah, here's the box. So let's have a look what's inside. So this is the Mavic 3 Pro, similar to the other DJI box openings, where you have a little lid that flips open. Oh, actually no, this one feels a bit different. Oh, this is quite different actually. Oh, okay, so it has like a little partition, and then here's the drone in the bottom here. This is quite different. All right, well, let's have a look at the drone since it's the first thing we saw. It's wrapped up in lots of plastic. All right, there's the little camera cover, the muzzle as people like to call it. This is a different kind of way of connecting to the holding device. Wow, look at that camera. Wow, look at that. A lot of lenses, impressive. But other than that, it looks just like the old Mavic 3. It's just the camera on the front, that's a bit different. All right, well, I guess we'll see how it's like to fly. The firmware's changed a bit. And I think with that Mavic 3, the battery life is not as good. All right, let's have a look what's inside here. I might tilt this up and then I'll just unbox it higher. So, in here, this is quite neatly organized. It's got, I assume, the remote control. Yeah, here's the remote control. And this is the one with the screen. So there you go, you got your screen. Your control sticks sit in here. And then they connect like this. Oh, they're different. There you go, so there's the control sticks. Stick them in. Got two little buttons here. I think one's for gimbal tilt and one's for zoom, then you got to record. And the camera's got two stage, so it's like the old Mavic 2 Pro, where you have like for focus, and then for all the way, take the photo. That's cool. And you got some other C1, C2 buttons down here. I wonder what this is for. It might be for attaching an antenna or something else. Or maybe it's for mounting it, I don't know, but yeah. Let's turn it on and have a look. I wonder if the battery's any different on this drone. Let's have a look. No, it looks just like the old battery. Nothing exciting. Same old. Let's see what else comes in the box of this drone. So I can see we also get some spare propellers. We get, I think, just two. It's a bit poor, to be honest. I'd be expecting a little bit more than two. For paying $3,000, right? Or $4,000? It's $3,000, I think. There's a quick start guide. Let me put that up to the camera. There's the quick start guide. I wonder what charger we've got. I bet it's the same as the old one. Yep, it is. So it's a USB-C charger. And there it is. It's 65 watt and it supports PD. It's got a USB-C and so you can charge your laptop and all sorts of other devices with it, which is nice. We've also got a USB-C to USB-A cable in here, but I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to use it. I'd rather leave it in the box. So that's it. You got your camera muzzle, which is even more complicated than before. It's looking like real BDSM now. No. But you can be like, my name is Bane. Why do I wear the mask? It really looks like a weird mask, doesn't it? But no, it's just to control the drone. So, I'll show you what the drone looks like. Flipped out. It's got some markings that I haven't seen before. LWA 82 decibels. So that must be the new low noise drone spec for Europe, I believe. Or maybe somewhere else. I don't know. That's pretty cool. 82 decibels. Wonder how they did that. You've got your remove before use. They should say remove before flight. That would be really cool, I reckon. That's like, that's like a plane then. But yeah, you got your little remove before use stickers everywhere. Let's remove them. You got your little foam cover. Let's see what it sounds like when you turn it on. Oh, you gotta charge it first. No turning on allowed. Shame. Oh well, I tried. Here's the controllers. It says welcome, it says English, agree, country, region, Australia. It looks like it's running Android. I don't actually know if it is, but that's what it looks like to me. Got to put in your Wi-Fi network. This screen actually looks pretty good on this. It's surprisingly reasonably good display. It's not like amazing, but it's not bad. It looks reasonably good. Don't know why, but it sets you to Beijing time out of the box. You got to change that. Got to create. You're locked now. If you want to use it, you got to create a DJI account. I wonder how much you can do without a DJI account. You can change the keyboard. This is the sounds it makes when you press the buttons. That's the sound that you don't want to hear when you've gone out of range. You also got a mode selector switch here. I guess that's cinematic, normal, and then sport. Brum brum for extra speed. Well, that's all I got to say, just for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the brief look at what comes in the box. Let me know what you want to see in the next video, and yeah, I'll answer any questions you have about this drone. I'm happy to film stuff on it. Yeah, let me know. See you all in the next video. Lens Addict out.